In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account in Figma. If you're new to Figma, or just looking to start your design journey, then you're in the right place. Let's go through the process step by step to get you set up quickly and easily. To begin, open your web browser and head over to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type in Figma and hit enter. You'll want to find the official Figma website in the search results, so look out for the link labeled explicitly as the Figma homepage. Once you've found it, click on the link to navigate to their site. As you arrive at Figma's landing page, you'll be looking for an option that says Get Started for Free. This is where you'll begin the account creation process. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a choice. You can continue by using an email address or by linking to your Google account. Choose the option that you're most comfortable with. If you choose Google, the process will be streamlined using your existing Google credentials. For email registration, you'll need to type in your email address. Next, you'll be asked to provide some personal information. Enter your name and fill in any other required fields. Make sure this information is accurate, as it will help personalize your Figma experience later on. After you've entered your details, it's time to verify your email address. Figma will send a verification email to the address you've provided. Simply open your email inbox and look for an email from Figma. Within this email, click on the verification link. This step is crucial as it secures your account and gives you access to Figma's features. Once your email is verified, Figma will ask you a couple of questions about your work type and interests. Don't skip this part, as these insights help tailor the Figma experience to your needs, whether you're a freelancer, a part of a creative team, or just designing for personal projects. Now, you've reached a point where you can get started on your creative journey. Figma allows you to either create a new team project or start alone, depending on your preference. If you're just getting started, the free starter plan is ideal. It offers you a great way to explore Figma without any commitments. Finally, you can choose to create a new design file or open a FigJam whiteboard to begin your creative process. Whether you're brainstorming ideas or diving straight into designing, Figma provides you the space to let your creativity flow. And there you have it. You've now successfully set up a Figma account. You're ready to explore the vast array of design tools and collaborative features that Figma offers. I hope this guide was helpful, and thank you for watching.